Hello friends, this is Hana Home Decor. I hope you are in good health and enjoying my videos. So if you are liking the content which I'm uploading, please like and subscribe my channel. Your support is a must and very crucial for a little channel like mine. Today we are bringing you amazing, great and mesmerizing loft apartments. They are raw industrial touches um, with soft materials and great quality. This loft is related with a newly constructed apartment, and a great emphasis has been laid for quality material and details. This decor has amazing combination of hard and soft. The defining part of this loft are concrete walls, soft colors and materials in decor are combined with oak flooring or some warm colors. Most of the nooks of apartment are divided with industrial wall that can be used as another bedroom. Concrete and black color you will see everywhere. This is the main look of the apartment, which has been combined with amazing Scandinavian furniture. You also can see larger art pieces there. Concrete walls and ceiling are a remarkable feature of these apartments. And these apartments are latest, stylish, and modernly designed. Some of the lofts has double height lofts has darker shades of decoration. This can be adopted if the rooms are very well lit. They have plenty of light. Otherwise, they look darker. But these darker shades are a preferred choice for a successful matching of the original industrial elements. This is these industrial interior design is popular, and its main characteristics are just raw and unfinished looks. This is an art inspired by factories, warehouses, and industrial architecture. Its remarkable features are its concrete walls, most of the time the exposed bricks and metal. Often it is said that it has a masculine touch in it. It shows strength and concrete. This decor is not only stylish but it is functional too. You can create an amazing modern space that can be unique in its look and that can be functional at the same time. Color choices definitely play a very strong role when it comes to industrial decor. It has unique aesthetics. We try to explore spaces and which look like a sophisticated industrial space or paradise. More about the material. The details of the home are very important. The walls, the look of the walls, the look of the ceiling. These spaces are designed for efficiency and practicality instead of aesthetics only. But with the passage of time, these designs became popular among architects, designers, and artists. Loft living is still very popular among urban areas where the concept of reuse or repurpose industrial spaces is common because they use unrefined materials and create some roughness in texture. Rusted metal, weatherwood, it is also used in the setting. They use, or most of the time, monochromatic and neutral colors are used with black, white, gray, brown. These colors are common. They create a cohesive look throughout the space. Duct work or pipes are not hidden. They are a hallmark feature. These features are left unpainted. High ceilings, open spaces create a sense of sometimes masculinity or sometimes spaciousness. So friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you receive the video when we upload it. If you want to watch something, please write in comment section. Thanks for watching.